Hey guys, this is Chris. Just want to take you through this time-lapse video that I recorded today of me installing pistons in the RB20DET engine block. First thing was to check the ring gap, obviously, ensuring that we do have the gap set at the correct specification. Got very fortunate with these rings. They already came in gapped to the correct spec, so there was no need for any kind of filing or grinding. This engine block did get bored out to 78.5 millimeters. There was some cylinder wall scoring, so we had to get it machined, which meant that we had to get some oversized pistons, ring set with that, and obviously correct head gasket as well. I just made sure I saturated those pistons with oil. Did the same thing for the cylinder walls to ensure a little bit of an easier installation of the piston sliding into the cylinder wall. Everything went by smooth, thankfully. This is me throwing the last piston in at this point. Turn the block over. I got the first and sixth cylinder connecting rod caps going in now. Everything's tightened by hand. Just nicely snugged up so we can rotate the assembly around and torque two caps at a time. Everything does get marked with the blue paint marker just to have a visual of, okay, it's already been torqued down, we can move to the next set. 20 foot-pounds initially, then final torque 32 foot-pounds. Once this is complete, we're ready to throw some head studs in there, and then we'll go ahead and install the cylinder heads.